Tech trivia quiz number 1. 25 questions, one topic. Let's go. Question number 1. Which platform is best for freelancing work? Fiverr. What is a popular website for selling crafts? Etsy. Which site allows publishing eBooks? Amazon KDP. Where can you sell stock photos? Shutterstock. Which service is used for creating online courses? Udemy. Which platform is known for dropshipping? AliExpress. Which site is famous for affiliate marketing? Amazon Associates. Which platform is best for blogging? WordPress. What is the primary purpose of Patreon? Crowdfunding. Which platform is used for video monetization? YouTube. Which platform is known for freelance writing? Option A. Which site helps to find remote jobs? Remote.co. Which app is popular for selling second-hand items? Depop. Which site offers survey-based earnings? Option B. What is ClickBank used for? Affiliate marketing. Which site is best for gig economy jobs? Fiverr. Where can you sell handmade goods? Etsy. Which platform is best for coding projects? Upwork. Which site allows online tutoring? Option B. What is Teespring used for? To create merchandise. Which platform helps in creating a blog? Which site allows you to sell music? Option B. What does eBay mainly facilitate? E-commerce. Which site helps with dropshipping? AliExpress. Which is a popular print-on-demand service? Cafe Press. Thank you for watching. You can watch these videos next and don't forget to like and subscribe.